Today I show you how to make a phone call using your iPhone using the Numeric pad. So if you want to call someone but you don't have them saved as a contact, open the phone app, and here in the phone app you have recent calls. You also have contacts and favorites. You could use the favorites. You could add a contact to the favorites, or you can use the recent tab. If you want to dial the number, you press on the keypad here, and then you can start writing the number. You just press the keys, then press green to call. So I will try to, I don't remember the number for this one here. So the number in this case is 94569 964. Let's see. Hope I don't call someone else. 94569. You already see it's giving me a suggestion for the contact because I already have the person. This is just my other phone, this other number. So I get a suggestion for that number, 964. You also hear those numeric pad sounds. Like that. Okay, so when you're ready, the number is dialed. You might have to put the international sign, +357 in this case. But here, because it's a local call, it doesn't need that. On the right side is my Android phone. Here on the left side is my iPhone. And the iPhone will call the Android phone. Press green to call. And you see it's going to start. And if you have dual SIM, here I have dual SIM, you can actually change the line when you make the call to make it into you can change the line from primary to secondary in my case. And also you can copy a phone number. I have the phone number here. You can copy it from anywhere. And in the numeric pad here, I could change the line again and then paste. So now I'm calling from another number and it will show again. So if you answer now if you answer, this is my voice from the other phone. And now this is my voice on speaker. This is my voice on the Android phone. So if you want to, when you want to make the call, it's easier to set the speaker on, to talk on the speaker. But in this case, because the phones are close to each other, it's gonna make this feedback effect. It's gonna be really loud. So I'll turn off the speaker, but it's easy to enable the speaker just like that. You will talk to them through the normal speaker and you will hear them from the speakers of the iPhone. When you're ready to hang up, either they hang up, they have a red button, you can hang up. There is always the hang up button is the red button like this. When any of these sides hang up, then the call is finished. So that's how you dial a number from the dial pad, and you also choose the line. I hope this helps you dial the phones you need. You can also use copy paste. If I have to use a number or from a website, you just press the link on the website. The phone number is like as a link. You press on it and it will ask to call. Thanks for watching.